Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I knew what I know today. Ooh, ooh. I will hold you in my arms. I will take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself by hurting you. Some days I feel broke inside, but I won't admit. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you I miss. It always gets hard when it comes to this. Would you tell me I was wrong? Would you help me understand? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have just one more chance. To have you looking at me and see you looking back. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself. If I had just one more day, I would tell you how much that I miss you since you've been away. Oh, it's dangerous. It's so out of line to try and turn back time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself. By hurting you. Thank you.